Do you guys want to know how to link your guitar into OBS and then stream it onto Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Mixer? Well, then you come to the right place. Let me show you how. Alright, so you're gonna need a few things to start. First thing is a audio interface, basically like a little mixer or device that plugs in a USB into your computer. Some guitar amplifiers actually have the USB port on the back, so you can use that. Yeah, basically it just links your instrument to the computer. So after that, you're gonna need some recording software, a DAW or DAW, Digital Audio Workstation. This could be, Logic, Pro Tools, Cubase, Reaper. And you also need some streaming software, so anything like OBS, Streamlabs OBS, or XSplit, anything like that. It should all be quite the same. And obviously, you're gonna need your instrument. So, let me just kick it off with, if you need Reaper or OBS, you just go download Reaper. It's a free program, digital audio workstation. You go there, choose your operating system, download, install, easy peasy. And just go back to Google, type in download OBS. A nice free software as well. Click download, choose your operating system, could be Apple, Linux, Windows, download installer, install, boom, done, easy peasy, that's the easy part. Right now, open up Reaper. So I've got a new project here, an empty project. First thing you want to do, you want to go up to this corner up here. You want to click up here. This is your audio device. Alright, so you click up there. This brings up a window on my audio interface. My current audio interface is the Line 6 Helix. It's basically an ultra mega combo amp / pedal board beast that costs about $6 million. You wouldn't need something of this magnitude to achieve the same result. Use whatever you can, really. But basically, that's what it's saying. It's saying I've got the Helix there. All these settings you shouldn't really have to change. But one thing is, when you do play, if you're strumming your guitar, and then the audio that's coming through is slightly delayed, like you strum, and then a second later you hear the noise, you might have to play around with the sample rate, the block size. You can click up here, and you get maybe a different window, but you can play around with this stuff to try and get the delay, the latency, as small as you can. Right now, if I go OK, you can see at the corner I'm operating at a 48 millisecond latency, so it's pretty good. Anything higher, you kind of pick it up by ear, and it kind of drives you insane. If you have any questions on that, you can hit up the comments below. There's many other videos out there that address that issue. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is either press Ctrl-T or double-click there for a new track to appear. Now what you want to do, if your guitar is plugged into your interface, or your electric drum kit, whatever it might be, you want to arm the track. So you click this record button thing up here, and it arms the track. Next to it, if you have a look, there's record monitoring. You want to make sure that's on. It can be set to auto or off, but you want to make sure it's on. That's so you can hear as you're playing. And that's a big thing, actually. I've many times missed that. And I've been playing and I can't hear anything, and I just don't know what's going on, and I realize that that's not turned on. So make sure that's turned on and that the track is armed, ready to record. Strum your guitar. You should have a clean signal, some volume coming through, which is good. That's a good sign. So basically, you click on effects now, and you can type in whatever VST you want to use. There's plenty of VSTs that are free online. I use the Fortin Nameless Suite. This cost me about $70 in the land down under. We can play it. We got signal. It's coming through the interface there. That's good. Now we got the track armed, monitoring is on. We got the effects that we want to use, the amp, the tone. What we want to do now is go into the master track. The master track is down here. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-Alt-M and the master track appears up here. You want to click on the effects window of the master track. And now you want to type in ReStream. This plugin comes with Reaper. You want to click on that. If you're using a different DAW, you can basically go and search ReStream, download ReStream, and you'll find like a pack. It's called ReaPlugs. It'll be included in that pack, this little DLL file, and you can use it. So what you want to do is open up ReStream on the master track, and you want to go to Send Audio. You want to click down this drop box here, and you want to choose Local Broadcast. So you want to send audio to the local broadcast, which will be OBS, or whatever streaming software you're using. So cool, that's all set up. Reaper's all good to go, basically. All right, so now you want to just minimize this for now. We want to open up our File Explorer, go into Program Files. So we're in Program Files, we're going to go down to Reaper. Or if you're using a different DAW, you want to go into wherever that DLL file is for ReStream. Go into Reaper, go into Plugins, and then go into FX. And now FX should have ReStream in there. So you got ReStream.dll. You want to copy that. You want to copy that, then you want to go back into Program Files, and every VST or DLL file that you want to load up into OBS are located in Steinberg, which is in Program Files. So you go Program Files, Steinberg, and there's another folder called VST Plugins. You want to go in there, you want to paste the DLL file. So boom, we pasted it. We got ReStream DLL inside of the plugins folder that OBS reads from. Beautiful. Then we can close that. We're gonna go to OBS. Just open it up here. And I know this looks really trippy. Let me just make it a bit easier. So, I normally route mine through desktop audio. So you got your desktop audio, which is where all these sounds come through. So if I click on my, you can kind of hear stuff there. All right, so you click filters. So you're in your desktop audio filters. You click add. You go to VST. Type in ReStream or whatever you want. In this drop-down box, you can select all your VSTs which are located in that Steinberg programs file. What I've noticed is the ReStream DLL file from Reaper. When I copied and pasted, it actually caused OBS to crash. And what I was actually using the whole time was the one in the ReaPlugs folder that you can download just from Google. I'll include a link to that download in the description. You open it up, the same interface comes up, but this time you want to select Receive Audio. So it's receiving the audio from Reaper into OBS, and that's it. Now if I play my guitar, we can hear it. And it's all coming through here, baby. It's all coming through Reaper. So what this does, essentially it sends everything in this project. You can have drums, you can have a whole song recorded, ready to go. And it will come through the master track into OBS, into your desktop audio there, and stream it to all your friends. Alternatively, if you don't want a desktop audio, you could probably go add, and it'd be either audio input capture or audio output capture, and then you just add that ReStream filter to it. And that's essentially it. Alright, so there we go. That's a nice, easy way of setting things up. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you have any other ways that you like to do it, or something that you're proud of, the way that you do it, let me know. I'd like to hear about it. And my name is Grym, and you can find me over at twitch.tv/Lord_Grym, where I stream just about every day, play some metal, rock out, hang out, have some fun. So, I'll see you there. Enjoy.